Creating your own homemade granola is not only a fun and rewarding process, but it also allows you to customize your breakfast to suit your taste preferences. Here's a step-by-step guide to making a delicious batch of granola, perfect for a satisfying breakfast or a nutritious snack. First, let's gather the ingredients. You will need 3 cups of rolled oats, half a cup of honey or maple syrup, 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil or your preferred oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of nuts such as almonds, walnuts, or pecans coarsely chopped, 1 cup of dried fruits like raisins, cranberries, or apricots, diced. Optional: half a cup of seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and a pinch of cinnamon for a warm, spicy flavor. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit 150 degrees Celsius to allow it to warm up as you prepare the granola mix. Begin by mixing the wet ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the melted oil, honey, and vanilla extract. Stir well to combine the mixture. Next, add the dry ingredients into the bowl. Pour in the rolled oats, nuts, salt, and any seeds if you're using them. Now, for those who adore an extra hint of flavor, sprinkle a touch of cinnamon over the mixture. Toss everything together thoroughly to ensure all the oats are well coated with the honey and oil blend. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Spread the granola mixture evenly across the prepared baking sheet, pressing it down to create a single layer. This helps in achieving those delightful clusters. Place the baking sheet into the preheated oven. Bake for about 20 minutes, then remove it from the oven. Stir it to ensure even baking and return it for another 15 to 20 minutes until the granola is golden brown and fragrant. Once out of the oven, allow the granola to cool completely on the baking sheet. During this time, resist the urge to stir it. Letting it cool will help form those sought-after clumps. After cooling, gently break up the granola into clusters as desired and mix in the dried fruit. Store your homemade granola in an airtight container at room temperature. It should stay fresh for about 2 weeks. With this homemade granola, mornings become exciting. Imagine pairing it with a bowl of yogurt and fresh fruit, or even just as a grab-and-go snack. It's healthier, fresher, and exactly the way you love it. Enjoy your homemade granola experience.